The charge nurse is making client assignments in the cardiac critical care unit. Which client should be assigned to the most experienced nurse? It is very important to understand most experienced nurse is a keyword. Why is this a keyword? When the question states the most experienced nurse is very different when the question states which client you will assign to a new graduate nurse. What is the difference, you may ask? Well, the difference is that one scenario you will be looking for the most unstable patient, but in the other scenario, the correct answer will be the most stable patient. Since this is a priority question, we must use a prioritization strategy. Answer number 1. The client has an acute rheumatic fever carditis. The word acute is important as acute conditions are prioritized over chronic stable conditions in most scenarios. A client that has an acute condition means something is going on right now. However, if you keep reading answer number 1, you will identify that this patient only needs teaching about staying in bed because he does not want to stay on bed rest. Teaching has to do with the learning process, and the learning process is psychosocial in nature. So, NCLEX Crusader, I ask you, do you think you should assign this patient to the most experienced nurse? Do you think this patient is unstable? The answer is no. This patient has an acute condition but is stable at the moment. I cannot assign this patient to the most experienced nurse. So answer number 1 is eliminated. Let's look at answer number 2. Answer number 2, a client who had the following arterial blood gas: pH 7.35, PaO2 88, PaCO2 44, and bicarbonate 22. These are completely normal ABG values. So this patient is stable, therefore we can eliminate this answer as well. Answer number 3, the client who is showing multifocal premature ventricular contractions. The verb is showing represents an acute problem, an acute condition. Now, usually PVCs are benign in nature, but in this scenario, the word multifocal represents that there are multiple ectopic cells in the ventricle, and this patient is in danger of developing a cardiac dysrhythmia such as ventricular tachycardia or ventricular fibrillation. This patient has an acute condition but is unstable and also has an ABC compromised situation. If you compare answer number 3, answer number 1 and 2, the patient is more unstable and requires an experienced nurse. For now, answer number 3 seems to be a possible answer. Let's analyze answer number 4. States, a client diagnosed with angina. Notice the verb diagnose representing the past. Now, what is the problem now at this moment? There is no problem identified, at least in the answer. The only thing we know is that the patient is scheduled in the future for a cardiac catheterization. When you compare answer number 3 and answer 4, 3 has the highest priority. The correct answer is number 3.